We are talking about the 7 movements of dance this week. There are 7 terms that are in use, and we'll explore each of those as we go throughout this week. Today, we are starting with the term plier. Now, when used in this context, it actually has a different spelling. We add an R at the end. So the definition of it means to bend. Similar to the concept of thinking of your standard plies that we do at like the bar or during our warm-ups, this applies to all things in dance. Some way, somehow, whatever movement you are doing is able to be categorized into one of these 7 categories. When we talk about plie, it's anything that's bending of the knees. That's how we start to build the momentum to push off for our pirouettes. That is how we push off for our jumps. That's also how we land our jumps. We have to bend our knees. All of that falls into the plie category. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about the next one. See you then.